Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got this. This is a RENPHO. It's a Elis Nova Smart Body Scale. So we're gonna open this up. I just kind of ripped the plastic, but I didn't quite open it yet. I'm gonna aim y'all down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So this is it here. I have to keep my plastic with me so that these doggies running around don't get it. Let's see what we got here. We got some there. And here is the scale. It's a nice looking scale, and it comes with a little charging cable, I guess, for it. So it's gonna be USB to USB-C. And this is the scale. That looks sweet. Okay, and here's the instructions. Okay. I'm gonna put all these things back in here. Like this. Okay. And so this is the scale here. This is what it looks like here. It's really nice. And let's see what we need to do to turn it on and stuff. Here's some stuff here. This is the charging port right up top on there. And then there's a reset button. Looks like right there. So let's see what happens with this stuff. And then we can scan here for the app. So you'll be looking, if you're looking up here in this corner, you'll be seeing what's going on with the app, because I'll connect it up and do a couple of things with it when it's going. But let's just see here how we make it turn on. I don't know if there's an on-off switch or if we just stand on it to make it go. I will see here in a second. Auto on. So it says it goes auto on. But I probably need to charge it. So let me go charge it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. Okay, so I set it up here, and it is here, and it's charging right now. So it's plugged in and charging. It's at 89%. And I'll show you what happens when I step on it. Let me see if I can aim the camera down so you can see it while I'm doing it. And here we go. It says I'm 197.8 pounds, 0.6. Hopefully you see what's going on. So it stops there, and then it wants to create a person. I haven't created anything on the app yet, so I'll show you that in a minute. But there we go. So there's my weight. And I think it'll have other body settings and things like that as well. So I'll show you that on the app when I get it connected here in a second. And the app should be